The launch of the Honda CB500 in India immediately sparked comparisons with the Yamaha SR400, a legendary retro motorcycle whose production was officially discontinued in 2021. At first glance, the two do share the same philosophy. They both feature air-cooled single-cylinder engines with classic designs. However, behind these similarities, Honda's and Yamaha's strategies turned out to be very different. Yamaha ended the SR400's run not because of waning market interest, but due to increasingly strict emissions regulations and the mandatory requirement for ABS systems. The SR400's frame, which had been in use for over 4 decades, was deemed no longer suitable for retrofitting with ABS without major, costly redesigns. As sales volumes continued to decline, Yamaha chose to discontinue production, including in Thailand. In contrast, Honda did not revive an old platform. The CB500 was built from the ground up as a modern retro motorcycle featuring a 501 cubic centimeters air-cooled single-cylinder engine, fuel injection, dual-channel ABS, and Honda selectable torque control, traction control, integrated from the outset. This motorcycle was developed specifically in India to strengthen the CB350 lineup in the face of Royal Enfield's dominance. Another interesting point is that Yamaha has never officially sold the SR400 in India. This means Honda isn't replacing a bike that was once popular there, but rather entering the rapidly growing retro market without Yamaha's presence. However, the story gets even more intriguing when it's revealed that Honda has registered the GB500 and GB500S trademarks in the United States and Europe. This move is reminiscent of Honda's strategy of selling the CB350 as the GB350 in the European market. If the same pattern is applied, the Indian version of the CB500 could potentially be launched as the GB500 in Japan, Europe, the United Kingdom, the United States, and Australia, regions that have long been home to SR400 enthusiasts. Ultimately, this competition is not merely about retro-style motorcycles. Yamaha chose to end a legend because the costs of modernization were no longer commensurate with its sales potential. Meanwhile, Honda is building a new formula that meets modern regulations, then leveraging nostalgia to reach the Indian market while filling the void left by the SR400 in the global market.